So we're going to start with the third, no, second we haven't completed. It was pending till the control actually. So we deployed we did the pipeline, build pipeline, but we haven't done the release pipeline. Isn't it guys, right? So it will be coming here. Alright, so let me go to my portal account rail. No, not portal. We have to go to your dev.azure.com, right? So let's go to dev.azure.com. I guess I'll be going here to overview. No, you already did.
7:35.
6.
You will start.
It's started.
This one is expiring, expired actually,
Expired? Need to check.
no,
We'll see today. When this is coming? Right? So we are in this now. This is the project, right?
It's a pipeline. It's got to be done pipeline.
Release we haven't done.
No, sir. Just only
Right,
pipeline.
container. We saved. We have. You would have saved it, right? We did save also.
Yes, sir, we will check.
We didn't save it. It seems.
same later.
That was a mistake. Fine, no problem. Let me first verify that kill account for the portal is still access is there or not. See, I used full, but still the amount is same. Not two. How many days? Today. Today the last day for the kill account. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to go to our release pipeline. Right, let's create a new release pipeline. Okay, empty job, close this. Artifact, we choose it to artifact location. Which one is our artifact then?
Same,
Second one.
same now.
I forgot to do that. Let's go to your release pipeline then. So this is right.
2, sir.
6 p.m. August 23, Docker CI 2. Okay,
Yesterday we did that, we not saved that.
that's what we have to do again, no? We didn't save it, it seems, right? That's what we need to do again. That's why we are doing it again, no? Okay.
We said build an image, push an image.
No, why? Build an image, push an image is a part of build pipeline. Build an image and push an image is a part of build pipeline, right? Right now. Build pipeline we already passed.
पास नहीं होता अब बीच में रोक देना थोड़ा फिर है वो
कौन बोला? That is release pipeline.
नहीं नोटपैड में बोले सर 19 स्टेप्स पे बोले
19 putting all together build pipeline, release pipeline. You are confusing me too also. Build, listen first. See, pipeline is there, right? This is a build pipeline. Yeah. So what is this?
Yesterday we done the build pipeline.
It's ran, right? Build pipeline ran it, no? It passed, right?
Yes sir.
Confusion? Still? We passed it yesterday. Okay?
20 स्टेप्स करे बाद फिर एक 10
Brother, 20 step is not only for build pipeline, including
Release pipeline.
build pipeline, release pipeline also. I'll show you what. Don't get confused. So it is one Abdul, right? So tell me, 20 steps is for the, this is your build pipeline, no, brother? Now release pipeline we have to start it out, right? So that we started, but yesterday we could not able to complete it because we have to give the control access for that. Okay? That's the reason we are not able to complete it. So let's do that. Huh? Now go to the release pipeline. Let me click on my release pipeline. Okay. So if I go to the release pipeline here, let me go to new. Let's click on the new release pipeline. Okay. Empty one. Close it. I need to give the artifact. Let's click on the artifact. Then you have source, right? Let's click on that. And what was the last one? This one, right? Let's choose that. Then come down. Let's click on the add. Okay. Let's click on the add here. So if you click on the add here, you'll have something called a stage, right? Just choose over there. Okay. Just choose over there, and there you learn it as a plus symbol. Okay. Let's get into that. What you have to apply, buddy? You remember that last time we did it, no? App service.
सर्विस कंटेनर
Yes, Azure. Web is inside that. Azure app service. Okay. So you have to choose that container one. Okay. So where is that dot?
ऊपर गया
Okay. Let's see as a app service. Then come down. Containers. Right?
यस सर
Let me choose this. Let's go over there. Try to refresh it out. Let's choose the Azure subscription. So subscription will be loaded somewhere. No, still not loaded. Yeah. So this is loaded. Right? This is the house now.
यस
Now we have to go with the app name. Okay. So we need to go with the app name. What is app name? Two are there, right? Then now I wait. Hold on, guys. This is a Docker, right? This is a Docker, no? Docker doesn't have release pipeline. Right? Abdul.
You only confused Abdul.
आप में कंफ्यूज कर दिया मैं बोला पहले आपको सर वहाँ नहीं बोला नहीं
Then how it got passed?
आपका सेव नहीं करना है
I didn't save it, it seems.
आप सेव नहीं करेंगे
No, I did it, but I did not save it.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ
Getting the point now? Everyone understand? That's a surprise. How we
आपने
got
आप क्या हो रहा है आप खाली बिल्ड कर
Yes.
फिर करने की जरूरत नहीं है बस
Yeah, guys, hold on, guys, okay? See, this I was thinking as an app service. So app service we have to go and deploy it, right? We don't have container, we don't have to go because we are already giving that image there, right? So it automatically get deployed. No need to go ahead with that, right? But thing is here we are deploying multiple environments. So that we'll go with the build image, push image, and then others. So no need to worry. Let's try to go to build pipeline. Let's see how it behaves here. So let me go to edit. I would have told that this till this point is. Okay? Yes. So this is saved only. Right, let's come now. This is okay? Multiple words, everything is there now. This is also there, right? All good, not so far? Very good. Now we will just go here and
Container.
perfect. Then app service. Yes. Okay. So what should I go with the container? Container. Very good. Let me go to this and try to figure out the subscription. So let me give the subscription. What will you choose? You choose the second one. Good. Okay. So we'll go with the subscription because app service Docker we already giving the build to that deployment level. So no need to go with the second release. We are just controlling the flow here. We'll see that. So let's come down. This is the second one. Then this time this is your dev. This is your dev. Dev means dev Docker second. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We'll make this as a dev. Then scroll down. Nothing to change. Do we have to change anything? Configuration and all. Don't need to change anything, buddy. Don't choose that. I don't know. Nothing to change. Come down. That's it. Image name will be adding. Okay, very good. So where is my image name? Here we'll get the image name. Okay. Copy the image name completely. Apart from that, you have to add one more thing. Do you remember that? Yesterday I told you. Your Azure container registry name you have to write and /. Right? So let me go to that Azure container registry. What is that? This is now. This is my Azure container registry name now. Right? So let me go to Azure Docker multiple environment. This one. Copy it. Then go back to your where? DevOps account. I'll go here. Come to front. Put it out. /. Isn't it? Same thing, right? Right. So anything else apart from this guys? Nothing, right? Very good. So this is for dev. We'll create here for staging also. So right click, clone. Clone means agent copy will come. Clear? So let's click on the clone. So copy will come. Let's make the change of the name here, guys. Let's make it as a dev. This dev, no? Dev app service. Okay. Anything you can keep your choice. And this I'll make it as a stays app service. Clear? Right? Let's make it as a stays app service. Okay, folks? Right? So let's come down. Let's come down. So we already copied. This time here, if we come down, we're going to go with our stays. Very good. Clear now? Let's come down. Anything else? Nothing, right? Yes. Now, how it will run? Where will run this? No. Right? Mandatory will create a build image. It will push the image to your Docker file as a container registry. Now, at a time only one it will do. Either dev or stays. Okay. So at the time of running only, you can set it. You can give whether you want it to run for dev or you want it to run for the stays. Is it clear? Do you get the point? That is my main intention of this. So for that there is something called a control. You want to control the flow, right? You wanted to control the flow, no? Whether you wanted to go with a dev or I wanted to go with stays, right? Keep on disturbing that solution. Okay, so we are here now. So you can see this, right? So we have to make a control of that, right? So what we'll do, there is an option called control option. Okay, so let's go to the control option. Let's come down. So there you have something. Run this task. Which task? Dev app service. With some condition, okay? Only all have succeeded. If you all get passed, then run it. but I wanted to make some other custom condition. We have defined what is there. When all previous tasks got passed, let's say these two got passed, then we'll run it. Even if the previous is failed and bill is not cancelled, you run it. Even if it is failed and even bill is cancelled, you run it. Only when the previous task, if it run these two, it will go step by step, right? This will run, this will run, this will run, this will run, right? So if these two steps, this is getting failed, previous is getting failed, then only running. So different condition is there. We'll write some other condition, okay? So what condition we'll write, I'll give a note of you somewhere. So this condition I'm going to write. Okay, you also have a look in this. So what is the condition is equivalent. Okay, so if two value are matching, then only running. Okay, what value? Variable. So bill dot source branch name. I gave the branch name. So what is the two different branch name I have it, buddy? Do you remember that? For Dev, Docker repo. For stays Docker repo. Isn't it? Do you remember that? Yes or no? For Dev we have made as a Docker repo. Stays we have made as a stays Docker repo, right? So write for Docker repo for Dev file. So this is Dev, right? So what do you have to write here? What do you have to write here? Dev, no, Docker repo. Is the same thing? It will match this correct spelling here. Is it right? Is it the right here? No, yes. Docker repo, right? This is also matching, DOC, Docker repo, right? So it will work. Okay? I'll come to, I'll tell you that why, and the detail I'll tell you, don't worry. Let's go to the staging. Stage, yes. Very good. Custom option you have to go, come down, staging, and we'll make it as a, what you have to make? Let me make it to, yes, let me make it to stage Docker repo, right? Stage Docker repo. So let's write it as a STG, no, spelling and is wrong. So DO I wrote, okay? So same you have to write. Same, here. You can see here, no? That's why I open it here. I did made a mistake, a spelling mistake. So DO CKERREPO. Clear? Right? Anything capital? No. It's all small. No? Got it. It's clear, right? Now see how it will run. It will first go to here, it will run, it will pass it. This will pass it. Then it will come here, it will verify whether when at the time of running, whether I am choosing Docker repo branch or stage branch. If I choose the Docker repo branch, okay, if I choose the Docker repo branch, this will run. Got the point? How? It will come down and it will verify it. Understand? It will verify, it will go to control and see the control. What is the control is? Whether build.source branch name. At the time of running, no, it will ask you the build.source branch name. You have to select that. So if I have selected Docker repo, it will run. Dev app service run. Clear? Then it will come to the
Stage.
no, second step. Not a stage. Second step. Right? So it will come to the second step. So it will come to the second step. It will again try to see your control. Okay? I have chosen Docker repo. So it will try to verify. This is the Docker repo. This is the Docker repo here. The build.source name is a Docker repo. And real is this. Is it matching? Is the both matching?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes sir.
How it is matching?
So there.
Oh, no, Charan. Understand? Build.source branch name that you are giving as a Docker repo at the time of running. So what is the equivalent here, right? If this is matching with this, then only this will run.
Okay.
Last time, the first step here, dev.app, what is that? Docker repo, match to run. Here is a, while choosing you are giving Docker repo, this is matching. Docker repo stage is matching. Both are not matching. So it will get skipped.
So जो मैच करता है वो चूज करना.
That is not your control. That is their control. You have to choose what environment you want it to run.
हाँ देव.
Let me run it. You will get to know. Why do one by one?
खाली किस करना.
If your developer told you, let's say you are having dev, stage, production, UAT, 4 are there, and and your manager is telling you please run this one for your stage. So you cannot do one, no. You just do the stage will run, other will get a stop. Do you get the point? This is the two-step right here. What if you have multiple stages? 5 are there. So if we have a 5, all 5 will not run. Build will run, push will run. Because build and push I haven't made any condition. Right? For this I make condition. So it will go and verify whether this is matching. Matching, run. Not matching, skip. So third, matching, no, skip. Matching, no, skip. Matching, yes, run it. Pass and fail is a different story.
Okay.
It depends on your input, but running is important. Clear? You get the point? So let's try to do it. If I do, again I will do it one more time, don't worry. You get a better on that, okay? So here is option save and queue. So here it lasts. You can see the branch. This is waiting for build dot source branch name. Here we have to choose it. Why? I am not getting it. What's the reason behind that? It should be coming up. Only one branch. Main branch. Perfect. See, the mistake it was done. We have created the repo. We have to create the branch. And CS formula. Thank you. Good. So it was the repo, right? It is a branch, right? So let me go back to your as order. This is a repo, right? This is not your branch. Good job. Okay. So we have to go with the branches. Clear? Got it or not? Okay. So this type of issues, if you catch it, you will get it. Clear? So now another type of question I can ask in this. Intentionally we have to make it out. Okay, don't worry. Yesterday you guys have seen one thing. I meant to that build pipeline. I told you, right? Build pipeline disabled now.
Yes.
Classic editor.
Yes, sir.
After your batch, another batch came. I told them why I disabled this. No, it is not coming. What to do? So we have to make the scenario like this. So you get the point. So that is the error you have to catch it. If you are catching that error, then you are good. Okay. So what's big deal? This is your main branch. Nothing big deal. Okay. So you have to go into. So we do have a main branch here. Let's quickly go and create a new branch. What's big deal? Nothing is there. We have to just change the name.
A branch.
What is to choose?
A branch.
No, we'll go to stage.
Okay, stage.
Main is already there, no?
A
So
branch.
stage will go. Stage, Docker, will go. Right? Clear? So create a copy will come simply. Simply a copy will come right here. Perfect. Very good. So you have to catch this. Now where to go? You go to your here and change the condition. Condition you have to change it, no? So dev branch is in your, let's assume that dev branch is your, dev file is your main. So we will change it here. Did you get it or not here? Understand? I am looking to the branch, right? This is a branch, not a repo. Source repo, I haven't mentioned that. Where? That you are getting confused, buddy. This is a branch, no?
Okay.
I just tried to check you that whether you are understanding or not. What is this name is coming up?
Source branch name.
Source branch name. If I am asking your name, you should give your name, not your school name. Last time what I did? I gave your school name and typed this is your name. You said yes. Okay, that is the part. Did you get the point? What is that? Build the source branch name. Source branch name is what?
Main.
Perfect. For dev it is
Main branch.
Perfect. Good.
Space.
Let me come to the stage. What is that?
Source
Stage we
branch.
just created one branch, no?
Source.
So we'll make this branch. This is the branch I created just now. Understood or not? So same file, but it depends on the condition of that, right? You check the condition, day, stage, prod, UAT, different code, right? This is very important. Please understand that. Okay? Now shall we go and run it out?
Yes.
This is asking. Not asking. The reason for that is it not saved. Let me save it. Okay, that might be the reason. So let's go and queue it class. No, still I'm not getting seen. Why? Your branch name is not linked with this, is it?
Agent pool.
Hold on. Okay. Agent pool is not a problem, buddy. Problem here is when you're trying to run it here, right, you're just catching it as a main branch only. Main branch of what?
Sir, permissions from ये
There is no issue with the permission. Come back here. Tell me, if you give me this answer, I realize that you are really great. Tell me guys, please. Not you. You know that nothing is stopping. What is the message that I did it? What should I do that? Where is the mistake that we are doing it? Come on dear.
सर वो आप जो डॉकर फाइल डिसाइड करें वो मेन में है ना शायद
Okay, Docker file. Where is the which you are telling me?
which
It is main, right? Main no. But I have a staging also, right? Why this staging not coming? Think about it. Nothing bad in this. See, this is how you learn it. Okay. Online guys, try to link it. Let me know. Let me know, guys. I'm not getting any response from you. Please let me know. What could be the reason? Azit, Akil, Prashant, Pawan, Rashmita, Tilak, Sri Charan.
No problem, Alex. Think it.
Tell me guys, what could be the reason? Sir, once open the sub branch, right? Let me open it up. But it is there. It is there. State branch is also there. Then what is the issue? What happened, tell me? Okay, repo you want me to change to which repo here? Docker repo? Let's do that. And how many branches are there? Okay? What the point? Because when we are giving the artifact and all, we are choosing the Docker repo. Yes or no? And I am creating a branch for a stage in my different repo. So obviously it will not come. So this type of thing you have to think it, right? Good. Got the point guys everyone? Yes, yes. Now let me twist one more time. Okay, I'll make one more change in that. Okay. Let me think it, okay? I need to think on that now. Okay, let me first, before making the changes, let's try to create our branch first, okay? So what is the branch we wanted to give? This is the branch, right? So let's create it.
Now we
Perfect. So now, so what I can do extra? Okay, let me continue this. Then I'll after completing this, I'll try to change one more thing. Okay, then you can answer me. So I'll go back to my pipeline now. Where is my pipeline? Oh, what happened? Pipeline gone? This is not good at all. Okay, pipeline. Edit. Save, right? Save. Thanks. It's saved actually. Okay. Right. So controller is good. These guys are good, no? So let's queue it.
now stage.
Getting? Now still I know 50% guys did not understand. Tell me frankly, who did not understand? I'll help you because this is my job. Tell me guys. Online guys who did not understand, tell me that. Sulin, you did not understand. Abdul, you not, okay? Anyone else? Sri Charan, okay? Any other? Okay, understand. Understand that. Why you are not getting it? Understand. See, when you are creating the build pipeline, my dear friends, let's say I am trying to click a new build pipeline. Okay? We are giving as a new build pipeline. So you are creating that some classic editor, you are choosing it, okay? So are you selecting the repository name here? What is the repository name?
Docker.
Docker repo. So you have, it will go at the time of running, check it out, Docker repo, how many branches are there?
Okay.
Since Docker repo we had earlier only one main branch,
One main
it
branch.
was getting main branch. Staging will have two, so it comes. So did you get the point?
Okay.
Everyone understand it?
Yes.
That was the reason for that. Clear enough?
Yes.
Perfect. Good job. Sunil, you understood it?
Yes.
Perfect. Great. Good job, guys. Let me come back to the pipeline once again. Leave. So let's come to my pipeline and let's try to edit it. And everything looks good, right? So let's queue it. So I wanted to go with my stage.
Stage.
So stage should run. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Let it run. So let's see. You'll see here, guys. Okay, what will run? We'll have a look here. There might be the chance that we'll get error. We'll resolve it, right? See, can you see here? It is like job, build an image, push an image, then add. So we choose as a, this two is mandatory to run. This two is mandatory to run. So the game is this on these two.
dev में dev skip हो जाता stage
Yes, dev skip, it will skip it there. Okay? Still pushing is going on. So let's cancel. Let it run. I'll help you. Just give me a minute.
Skip.
Can you see? Dev is skipped? Yes or no, folks? Guys, so for the stage we are having skipping the day for stage other way. You are right, Sunil. You can see here that is trying to run. So getting pass and is a different story, internal code issue. But skipping is the main thing. Clear? Pass? Super? Now, what is your question, madam? Tell me.
So just now, by building an pipeline,
Ah,
there we have selected the Docker network.
right?
So then we can go ahead and change the stage network.
Yes, you could. Let me go back with that, okay? Let's try to. Oh, but when you're creating a new pipeline, you
Okay.
can change it. Your choice, right? So let's see. You wanted to go to the pipeline. You're creating a new pipeline. You can able to do it. Not here, not exactly here. You want to create a new pipeline now. So go to here, new pipeline. You can change it. Classic editor, you could able to change it out. So you can choose any. You choose. Okay,
Stage
no?
repo.
Stage and all, anything you can do it.
Okay.
Right. So guys, did you understand it?
Yes.
Every one of you? Now let's do this time. Let's select dev. Let's select main and see whether the dev is running or not. Okay? Perfect. Let me go back and do that. See. Run pipeline. Shall I choose this as a dev? Dev means main.
Main.
Okay? So this time what will happen?
Main branch only. Stage will skip.
Yes.
skip वो आ जाता
Main will run. Sorry,
Stage.
dev will run. Stage will skip. Anyone got doubt?
No.
I want you all to do this. I know you'll get stuck. It'll be a problem. For that, I have given you the screenshot also. Step by step, clear screenshot. Still you are studying, please join the call with that guy, Janardhan. He'll help you. If he is not able to resolve, come to me, please. I'll help you. Clear here? This is important. Okay? In the industry, we are doing the same thing. File and all will be there. Only controlling you have to take care of that part. Okay?
app service वही mandatory है app service
No, you can go with the multiple 1, 2, 3, 4 your choice. Multiple in order you can go with.
okay
First thing I know, like in the portal, like creating applications,
We already ran it, no? Yes, you can go and check the portal also. Okay, let it get completed first. So dev will get pass, stage will get fail, not fail.
Not
Fail will skip.
skip.
It should get fail, no?
Why?
नहीं एक और पे स्पीक कर दो ना
Not I am telling. Okay.
नहीं
No, understand. What not I am telling, not you are telling. What is the correct that you have to tell me? Why it is not failing? Why it is skipping?
Because we selected the day only, na.
Right. We selected a stage
Stage.
level, okay?
Ah.
So if no, main you selected, so it will see whether main, then it will run.
हाँ
If you run, then only pass or fail, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
तो जो सेट करते हैं
Yes. It depends on what you are selecting.
Selecting.
So guys, okay? So
Okay.
you can go back and you can see your application also. Sometimes your Docker will not be able to run it here properly. So that is a different story. Docker, you can go, you can check your app also. So let's go with this, not this.
Not this. Dog. Upper.
डेव डॉटर
Hmm.
Let me run it. So if it is up and running, it will run it. Okay? Yeah, we have some issues with this, that's the reason. Now while running it is like, the still that you ran it, right? So that is why you are getting that application issues. You are getting application issues. You don't have access permission for that, that's the reason. Okay? So when you guys do it, I suggest you at the time of, when you are getting the app service, right? You go and see whether it's working fine or not. Clear? You are getting the app service now?
Yeah.
Check it whether it's running or not. Clear? If it not run, let me know. This is the thing is application error. So application error with that file. It's not your deployment process. Okay? So just give, main thing is you have to understand your whether it's running fine or not. Stage and main it runs or not. Okay, hope you understand it. Right? So let's go to the third scenario. Simple scenario. Okay, not very tough, but let's complete the third scenario. So that we can start tomorrow going. Guys, tomorrow we have a class. Offline.
Offline.
Let's make it offline only. Anyone have issue?
No.
Huh? Why to make online? Like I can come down.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's. Because उसमें टिकट नहीं मिला था था.
आप बोले हम
मैंने बहुत को नहीं मिला 6 बजे एक्चुअली क्या पैसा? हाँ? You attended online then.
I'm going to write one.
You go it, no problem. You attend it online, you go. Okay, you attend it, it's not a problem. If you are not alone, you attend it online. So why I am telling it online? Because let's continue the pace.
Okay.
Okay, because we are lagging, we have to complete few topics, understand that. The next session will be again on like 25th. So we have 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day to complete. Okay, so if you talk here that I need at least 2 days to complete the Kubernetes topic, okay? So tomorrow we will do one scenario. Two scenario we cannot do. One possible. It's big. It's a big, okay? So let's do tomorrow one scenario. One scenario after coming it. Okay? Then Terraform 1 day, Ansible 1 day, Ansible and AppDev we will do in 1 day. Small topic, okay? I need PowerShell minimum 2-3 days of time. Again after that we have one resume preparation. One interview. So all together 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 to 8 classes still needed. Yes, minimum 8 class. So let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will go. Or else we'll try on Saturday, Sunday. We'll plan. Saturday we'll take in the morning. Your choice, huh? We'll see how it goes. So guys, let's try to understand. Let's quickly do the third scenario. Okay. So third scenario is easy and very easy one. Okay. Let's see. Like how you guys are having using the app service now. So app service have both the option. What is the both option you have? You have option to go with the code also, and you have also to go with the container. Both the option you are having. Okay. Where? In your app service. But if you go and there is another call as a container instance. What is that? It will work similar to your app service only, but you can go with only container. Okay? When you are very sure that I need to work on the container, no need to create an app service. You can go with the container also. Container instance. Got the point? So pretty simple steps are there. Probably 5-6 steps there. We'll do it out now also. So let me take the notes first. Yes, so this is your very simple structure, okay? Let me put in your notes as so. This is your right?
Yes.
Right. So last file is given, it's already there with you?
Yep.
Screenshot and all?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, okay. So let me give the doc of this also, yes. Okay, so this is the third scenario, okay now? Let me post it. So let's do it quickly. Let me come and post this to your notes. Understandable. So third scenario, you have to get ready with the repo that you are already having it. Then you have to create a container registry with the portal that you are already having it. We'll create a new one. We'll get the copy of the CR. Okay, we'll create a new service connection. Okay, you have to create a new service connection, and that too you have to use with the Docker registries. What is that? Docker registries. So the service connection is a new point that we will learn today. Okay. Then after that, let's come down. Okay, you have to build pipeline. Few things. That's it. Very small steps are there. Nothing is like that. Okay. So immediately we post the CR, verify it, and create the container stand with the help of CR detail, IP address. That's it. So let's do it quickly. Let me come to our portal first. Okay. So portal first, what I'll do. So my file is already ready. Okay. So if you'll come to the portal, okay, and you'll come to the portal, I'll first create a container registry. Okay. Got the point, buddy? So let's create a new container registry. So let me create a new container registry. Where is that? Yes, here. This is quickly created. Naveen training. Okay. Third scenario. Container registries. Okay. Let's come down. Basics, networking, encryption, syntax, create and create, and
Create.
okay. So validation pass. Let's click on the create. What happened? No, that is API issues. That's why it is coming up and remaining again. Right, yes, we got pass. Okay, good evening. Yesterday my subscription got extra, but I have some error. Please solve it. What is the error? Sansekhar, what is the error? Please type the error to me. Give the error to that. What is the error you are getting in Chandrasekhar? It will help you, don't worry. You just type the error, what is that? I will help you. Okay, so let's go to your resources. Right, you go to the resources. Now access key, quickly change it. What to do? Give the access key option. Then repository, just add a reader access quickly. So let me go to okay.
జంకిన్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి జస్ట్ అప్పుడు రాసింది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం 1 day 2 day రాసింది రాసిన
Okay.
జంకిన్ కూడా యాడ్ అయింది
So you'll have this one. So let me go to have to come back here and give that access for IAM. Reader access, right? Let's give that. Okay. Choose the reader. Next. Then select your members. Select your bullet. Select it. Review and assign it. Let's click on view and assign. Okay, assign. So now go back to your repositories. Refresh it. Nothing is there. You are not getting the error. Now you have to go to the service connection, right? So let's go to the service connection here. Go that. So yes, we have to create a new one. Docker, with the help of Docker registries, we will create a service connection. Okay. So let's create a new service connection. Write as a Docker registries.
Sir, sorry.
Docker registries.
Okay.
Choose the Docker registry. Next is you have a container registry with you, right? You already created a container registry just now. So complete address you have to take it. Come back here. Go to the container registries. Which one is right? Choose the complete address. Complete address. Okay. You don't have to do any mistake. Please understand that. This complete address means HTTPS also will come. Okay. So delete this. Go ahead with this. Clear? It is mandatory for you to write it. If you delete it, let's say you are deleting it, you will get the error. Okay. So don't delete it. Now Docker ID and password. What is the Docker ID and password? Yes, it is. What is the Docker ID and password? Come on, folks. What is the Docker ID and password? What is the Docker ID and the password? What is the Docker ID and password here? Docker ID password? No, that is nothing. Just guessing. What you should be having it. Keep in the mind with your service connection that you are doing it before. Just correlate it and think it. Okay?
Value.
What value?
That registration in
What client value? Is it? Take it. I am giving you time to 2 minutes of time. Okay? This is thinking it. Okay? Have a look here. See, if you see this, Docker ID, you have to be a Docker ID, right? You have to create AD, new app registration, and you have to get the client ID is a Docker ID, right? Client ID will be Docker ID, and whatever you told that certificate and secrets here, okay? Guys, whatever you guys have said that right here, certificate and secrets, that would be my password. Clear? Got it? So you have to go back to your subscription real quick. Let's try to go to AD. Where have to go? Intra ID. We'll go with the AD. So let's come now. There is option called app registration.
Create
New app registrations. Proceed. Just give the name as a Docker ID. Docker ID. Just write Docker ID only. Registered. You are getting the client ID, right? This is your Docker ID here. Okay, for you. This is the Docker ID, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the password that you are having it?
Certificates.
Certificate and segregate. So you just write the certificates, click on the certificate, you click on the client certificate, write it, add values, give the password here, okay, give the name as a Docker service connection, okay, we give it out and it will not throw any error for, it will not ask you for the verification, it's always good to go there, go do and verification, IAM, okay now, let's go there, try to come to your IAM here, okay, so here, then privilege, contributor next, select members,
Docker.
Docker ID, Docker ID, select it, review it, assign it. Okay, roles added, right? So now you go back and try to save. Clear already? Anyone have doubts here? Alright. This complete name we have given it. Let me follow the steps one more time. Everything is there, right? So example, this is till here it's over, right? Very good. So let's go back and try to create our service connection.
Sir, can you go up to the-
Here,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Do we need to select Azure container?
nothing.
Docker.
It is others. Docker is a different. This is on others.
Oh,
Everything is gone. I'm worried about that. This one. No worries, no worries. Don't worry. So what to do? Nothing is AD, right? So we have done with what is that? App registrations. All apps. Okay. How it will come? It will not come. We didn't save it, no? Docker ID. What is the password? Display or not? Super. Will not display, no? Delete it. Only one time is done. Okay? Let's create it one more. Okay? After that, no worries. So this is the password. We will change the name of that container history, right? Okay? Anything else, buddy? Alright? Saved. Done. So you have saved it. Now let's try to go to the next step. Next step is you have to go to the build pipeline, select the job as a Docker, update the things to the unique repository, email it to CR, create the containers. That's it. Okay. So let's go to your where build pipeline. New pipeline. Classic editor. Okay. So where is the file? We'll keep the same file. Continue. What should I choose?
no, empty job.
Docker container. Okay. So I'll go back to here and try to choose my so what should I choose here? Hmm? Sorry, pardon. Okay. So there is a issues here. Tell me, Docker registry service connection or container registry you should choose?
Container.
You can choose anything, it's not a big deal, okay? So we'll go with Azure container registries, nothing, not like So it's go with the same service connection here. Okay. Container history. What is that container history? You have it. Third scenario.
Third
Okay.
scenario.
Choose the image. Here you have to choose your Docker file. So guys, understand why I am choosing the Docker. I'm creating the connection. That's it. No need to mention here. That's all. Okay. Come down here. Anything else that I need to choose? Nothing. I'll leave it as well. Okay. Let's come to the boost image. Here, what is that here?
Same.
Yes. Let's come down. So let's come this. Okay, no, good. Same for shell. Nothing. There's no change.
But we have taken new connection.
New
What is
connection.
Yes, that will use it for why it is coming up with a new connection means the reason for that is you are trying to use container instance. Okay, so for container instance, what happens is it will not be giving that act. So it's not something that now you are clicking on the browser. It's IP address.
So like instead of creating web app, like
We are creating instead of web app, we are creating container instance. For the container instance, it is running your IP address. There is not URL for that. That's the reason we are creating. Okay. So let's come to our third scenario. And these all you know that already. Right now? Clear? So if you run it, what will happen? You will get a push image, build an image, right? Save and queue it. Queue is Thursday, right? So let's run it. Okay, it's running. One good thing, okay, it will run, it will give you the mails. One good thing that my office was on leave on Tuesday for Vijayadashmi. They changed the leave on Monday. Vijayadashmi. So now, earlier I thought like I'll do just bunk it office or simply online on Monday. Now, no need to take tension.
वही का चक्कर है.
That means you have to give me a party now. Well, I'm going. Okay, so it will get passed, right?
Yes.
Then you get passed, then you get a build image push. Image name will come. You will go to container instance. Will click. Done. Perfect. So if you done, you would have got as a what is that? Image you would have got it in your container. So space.
Sir, why the warning is coming over?
This is a data field is coming up. Let me show you. What is that? I haven't passed any data. No?
Yeah.
I haven't passed it because it's not required for me. Okay. But if you go to the output task, I'm not giving any data for that. Okay. For any PDF and anything you want to pass, that is given. This is a warning. Not even message. Okay. So let me go to where container is right.
Yes.
So come to this is a container is no. Let's see your repo.
Docker repo is came.
Docker repo came, image came. So let's not make delay. Let's go back to your container instance. Instead of app service, container instance. Container instance. It is only valid for your container files. Code will not work out here. Please understand. If your developer already know that, code will not be validated. App service both are valid, but here only image push and image will come. Container will be valid. Okay. So instances. Right now, container instances. So let's read it give as a third scenario. Instance. See, everything is same, almost same, like app services. Can see here, almost the same it is. Okay.
Azure container is.
So here only you have to choose it. Third scenario. Which image? Which image 5, right? That's it. Come down. Came down. Save and create it.
Standard basics.
Standard. It will charge them. Leave it.
Section
खत्म हो रहा है. सबके साथ खत्म हो रहा है.
14,000 it is.
Great.
Okay, let's click on the
16 frames తోటి రికార్డ్ చేసిన 8 frames తోటి రికార్డ్ చేయాలి చెప్తా స్టోరేజ్
एक बंदे का one gets take it out and share to others. किसी को otherwise you go with the pay as you go, but very restricted. Use it, delete it. Use it, delete it. But don't share your pay as you go to any other. Free you can share it. Go to resource. So your IP address will come. This is IP address, right? So you will not get any URL and all here. You have IP addresses, okay?
Okay.
Just open it out and run it somewhere. Let me get some time to load it. It's taking some time to load it, okay? This site is taking more time to load it up, but it will come like this one. You just guys try out. I just try to give my input.
సార్ ఈ స్కాన్
Came right? That what you have to comment, okay? So even anyone can able to do it out. Let's complete the second scenario and third scenario anything.
So you said architecture.
Yeah, we'll do it out. Let's remind me tomorrow leave it. Okay, don't do it. Tomorrow we'll go with the Kubernetes class. Okay. Then we are back on the Wednesday class, right? Let me remind it. So Wednesday class, we'll first complete that your Kubernetes and remind me for the Java architectures. Your responsibility. Okay. Fine guys, thank you so much for joining guys. The notes has been updated. Take care and please update it out. Okay. Please work on complete three scenarios. All are important scenarios. Right? Take care guys. Have a nice natural day. Okay. Understand that how you are doing it. You have to go back to your home page, go to subscription, first delete all the services, okay, then here, okay, you go back to your free trial and there is a cancel subscription, you cancel it out, click on the cancel subscription. If your amount is 0, well and good. If it is not amount, if your amount is 0, it will get cancelled. Not amount is 0, that also no problem. You come down, there is a payment method is there, right? Payment method is there, right? You just go and delete it from here. Okay, you have option of click here, delete. If it is not deleted, that means you have to pay something to the Azure. Okay? You have to pay some. So don't get worried. They will not take anything from you if you are cancelling it from here. Right? If you cancel it from here, they will not charge any money. But cancellation, if it is active, they will charge. So if you cancel, you get as a disabled. It is mandatory for you to get disabled here. Okay? Fine, Chandrasekhar. Thank you.